like everything was a party. Only 18 years deep and now we're getting started. Finish line clear, so we focused on the target. Wouldn't it be nice if we saturate the market? And wouldn't it be great if we could just simply rage and never think about calm down or act your age? I say hey, hands up, the record plays. Wouldn't it be great if I could live on stage? Let me introduce you to the duo in a dream. Wouldn't it be nice if we blew up on a scene? Do shows in Pluto, so you know what I mean. Wouldn't it be cool to have a name up on the screen? And wouldn't it be great if I could make you a fanatic? Accumulate a following like dust up in the attic. And if you hear her hollering and people go ecstatic, you know it must be us, cause we always wreaking havoc. See, I just wish the people could relax and look beyond what this year's right or wrong. Just appreciate a song, cause the music's not about cold drinks and hitting bonds. It's the cool June pool tunes, so y'all should come along. Turn this on, tell me, do you feel enticed to get up on your feet and make the most of the night? Find someone you like, just take a chance and roll the dice. You could end up making memories, now wouldn't that be nice?
I'm up high right now. Wouldn't it be nice if I never came down? Always on the rise, I forgot about ground. I just wanna live on the top somehow. Someday maybe I'll find the key to the good life. Spend my days on cloud nine. Yeah, now wouldn't that be nice?
Imagine waking up to a place like heaven, where I can say we're steady on the rise, so living. And you can shut me out and say I'm stuck in wishful thinking, but I know that when it happens we gon' stop and let it sink in. Cause speaking of heaven, I'ma settle in the sky, chill up on the clouds, then I get up and I fly to a place where the white tips waves roll in, feeling golden in the moment till the sun grows thin. Then boom, bring out the moon, I'm the man in it now. So if you're looking up, you should stand and get loud. Say, wouldn't it be great if this night never ends and we can fade away to that light for pretend, like nothing really matters outside of the song. And I'm on a buzz going infinity and beyond, so catch me if you can, but I'll be in Japan or maybe 212, possibly Amsterdam. I'm headed around the world, I'm going, I let it swirl. You twisted, I'm gonna twirl, I'm just sticking to the plan. Bam, I said imagine living like Aladdin, having someone grant your wishes, and if it happens I'm asking to fly away to a place where every day everything is laid back, all great always. So see you later, I guess that I'll talk to you soon, cause I'm gone, you can see me go over the moon.
I'm up high right now. Wouldn't it be nice if I never came down? Always on the rise, I forgot about ground. I just wanna live on the top somehow. Someday maybe I'll find the key to the good life. Spend my days on cloud nine. Yeah, now wouldn't that be nice? Someday maybe I'll find the key to the good life. Spend my days on cloud nine. Yeah, now wouldn't that be nice?
You could be my one and only, I can be your one. Come on, let's take it slowly, I'll show you how it's done. I ain't never seen your type before. How'd you end up with a guy like that? Spread your wings and I'll make you soar. Take my hand, girl, don't look back. Cause when I'm not with you, Los feels lonely. Girl, I go so deep, from the back slowly. But it's probably better off if we stay homies. Hit the strip club, girls get big tips from me. When I do this show, shit, I know you're missing me. When I get back, buy you diamonds from Tiffany's. Relax, girl, and you might just get a kiss from me. Like this, like that, white dude, white hat. Yeah, I gotta do the show, but I could take a flight back. Yeah, I swear to God, girl, I will be right back. Got cheese, my strap, my chain, I match. Los, we'll have you doing stuff that you dream about. You're all I think about. Bathroom, steam it out. Spend $2,000 every bar I'm in. Hit the Ritz-Carlton, champagne bottling. You could be my one and only, I can be your one. Come on, let's take it slowly, I'll show you how it's done. Like this, like that, like this, like that. Girl, it's only one kiss. Relax, I know. Every time I see you, girl, my heart beats fast. Like I'm trying to win a race I won't take last. And you know you got a great ass. Got me lost up in your curves, no brake pads. I ain't never seen your type before. It's like you brought me to life and
to take this slow, cause when I'm with you my heart just knows. So come on, let's go, take my hand, give me a chance. I could be your man. You could be my one and only, I can be your one. Come on, let's take it slowly, I'll show you how it's done. Like this, like that, like this, like that. Girl, it's only one kiss, relax, I know.
Los, I already know you, I wanna know who your friends are. 10 one and onlys, but I'm looking for a fresh start. Wake up to Dome, you can call this shit a head start. Fall asleep in Denver, wake up in Denmark. Though I want you to be mine, saying that you need time, free time. Girl, you need some me time. Take a slow rewind, make it come 3 times. I stay on the green, 420 is my tea time. Fairway, make you my only one, hole in one. Gucci shoes, canary diamonds, so you know it's some surfing music, boys, full paper origami. I get the thing wetter than a bottle of Dasani. Rose of your Dom P, bottles coming at you. Girl in the bed, I go nuts, go cashews. Yes, I'm an ass dude, but you can bring them titties out. Light 50 blunts as I bring the whole city out. Los.
You could be my one